Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you park your car outdoors and want next-level weather protection, this product might be exactly what you need. Today, I'm reviewing the heavy-duty outdoor car cover with a patented weighted ground conforming apron seal, designed to keep your car dry, clean, and secure in any weather. This cover is built for sports-size vehicles up to 189 inches long, 75 inches wide, and 67 inches high. It's not your average car cover. It uses a weighted apron seal at the bottom to conform to the ground and block out wind, water, and dust. Patented weighted apron seal. Let's start with what makes this cover unique, the patented weighted ground apron seal. Instead of relying only on straps, the weighted bottom keeps the cover tight to the ground, sealing out debris and wind from below. Heavy-duty waterproof fabric. Second, the cover is made from multi-layer heavy-duty fabric that's completely waterproof and UV-resistant. It's designed to handle rain, snow, and blazing sun. Wind-resistant design. Third, it's windproof. That ground-hugging seal combined with internal tie-down straps means no more ballooning or flapping in storms. Dust and debris protection. Fourth, the cover blocks dust, dirt, and leaves, keeping your car's surface spotless, even if it's parked for weeks. Universal fit for sports cars. And finally, it's built to fit most sports-size vehicles, coupes, small sedans, and even some compact SUVs, up to those max dimensions of 189 by 75 by 67 inches. That weighted apron design is genius. It keeps the wind out better than almost any other cover I've tried. It's extremely durable, thick fabric, reinforced seams, and great overall build quality. The full seal protection actually reduces dust buildup underneath, perfect for people who park near trees or construction areas. Because of the weighted bottom, it's a bit heavier than typical covers, takes an extra minute to install or remove. It's not ideal for quick daily use. This cover is meant for long-term outdoor protection, not just overnight parking. So, final thoughts. The heavy-duty outdoor car cover with weighted ground seal is one of the most wind-resistant and weatherproof car covers I've seen. It's built tough, fits snugly, and that patented apron seal gives you real peace of mind when the weather turns bad. If you park outdoors year-round, this is an excellent investment to protect your vehicle's paint, trim, and finish. You can grab it right now on Amazon, link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want me to test this against other top-rated covers next. Thanks for watching.